I am an active computer user with a laptop. I mean, I use it to check my email. I use it to do the work I do. I use it for. I'm a cyborg. I'm connected to it all the time. I see rectangles and squares in various colors. Then there's something called messaging, which I don't know. Is that some kind of text thing that you do on a laptop? And then there's desktop. That's the stuff that I've saved to my desktop with with the silver potatoes. And there's store, there's maps, there's Sky Drive, who knows what that is. Music, videos, camera, games, Budapest. Then something called rah-rah.com. And then an elephant's head. And it's called Evernote. Okay, so now I'm in mail mode. Ooh, but it's gone back to the start page. So let's try it again. I'm in mail. Alright, well, I'm going to try the plus. I mean, that's the best we've got going for us, right? Ooh, yeah. Okay. I think this is it. But it is a really weird interface. I mean, what the fuck? It's just blank. It's blank and it's not the customary email interface. So I hover over the words add a subject. Nothing happens. And then something at the bottom comes up, a bar that says save draft and attachments. That's all really cute, but what about, can I actually just write the fucking email? Where do I do that? I really just wanted to exit the mail program, and it's just this big, vast sheet of white. Yeah, I mean, go away. Wow, this is really, is it me? All I can do is like retreat, like the Monty Python people. But all it does is minimize the calendar and drag the calendar down to the bottom of the screen. Oh, no, yeah, it's a miracle. I'm back to the start screen. And there's a So I hovered over the calendar, and now I'm in the calendar. And then I hit escape, and nothing happens. You can't get out of the calendar. I'm stuck in the calendar. I need to access possibly the desktop here, which is where the dog might be saved. What about if I went like to the corner, or to this corner, or to that? Which is what I came to originally when I clicked a little. So, okay, so now this looks more like a desktop. I got to it accidentally. So let's see if it's on here. I'll scroll down. I found it. It's a dog. But my God, that was a fucking treasure hunt.
How do you think you get to the internet?
Right, like the new millennium, the fucking internet. I don't know. I feel like I'm being punished. Okay, so there's Internet Explorer. Who wants to browse the web with Internet Explorer? I mean, that's like, suck my ass. So it's forced me into this URL atmosphere now, which is stupid. It's like all this pressure. I don't want to... Can we just be in Google? Alright, now I'm in Bing. And I'd rather not use Bing. But I can't figure out in this interface how to free myself. It feels like being trapped. Now I'm in Flickr. So notice there's a white screen now. A completely white screen. I'm drunk, and so I've navigated myself into a corner, but it should be really easy to get out. And that's not possible here. It becomes this sort of recalcitrant labyrinth of where am I and who am I? You know what I mean?